they are hearing a real story from a real person. By playing the scenario completely straight, you get out of your own way. You allow the absurdity of the situation you wrote to deliver the comedy on its own. Once you have recorded your footage, you enter post-production. You must now brutally refine your clips to maintain audience retention and momentum. Begin by stripping out all the bloopers and mistakes. Then scrub through your imported footage and remove any dead air between your sentences. This animated timeline demonstrates an editing technique called cutting on action. Notice how the playhead drops a cut exactly at the peak of a visual motion, like a hand gesture, and connects it seamlessly to the next clip block. Applying this technique across the entire sequence masks your edits and propels the pacing forward. It guarantees a punchy, fast-paced video that strictly adheres to your 3-minute limit. Ruthless editing protects the timing of your joke. It ensures the viewer never encounters a lull that prompts them to scroll away to another video. Before publishing, put your video through a peer review. Show it to a friend to see if the video triggers an immediate impulse in them to forward it to someone else. This formula illustrates the ultimate indicator of success, the share percentage. You calculate it by dividing your total shares by your total views. 10,000 passive views have very little value, but if you get 1,000 views and a share percentage of 1.5%, it means 15 people actively forwarded your video to their friends. This dashboard shows you exactly where to look for this data. Focus only on the share percentage highlighted in green. The total views, blurred out here on the left, are just a vanity metric. True virality is a percentage, not a raw number. It is a direct measurement of how effectively your content turned passive viewers into active advocates. You have reached the end state. You now possess a polished, perfectly paced 2-minute comedy video that is ready for distribution. By combining a relatable script, honest acting, and snappy editing, you have manufactured a piece of earned media built strictly for organic word of mouth. Your final instruction is to upload the video. For the first 24 hours, completely ignore the total view count and obsess only over your share percentage. Great comedy creators do not chase algorithms. They observe human reality, distill it down, and let authentic connection do the rest.